Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your LinkedIn profile as a PDF. And also I'll be sharing a very important gem somewhere in the video, so I encourage you to watch the video till the end. Without much ado, let's jump right into the video. To download your profile as a PDF, you just have to open your account right here on your desktop, not on your phone. Then you go to the resources button over here. Then let's click on it and to give an option to save it as PDF. So to save it, just click on the save to PDF. Then to start saving to PDF. Now it's already downloaded, so you just have to open it from here. So I'll open it and you can see my profile. Yeah, so this is how it appears, and you can share this with anyone that want to review your profile. Aside the fact that you can see it right from your site. Okay, and I believe this helps you. So you can save this and use it as well. And when you go back to the profile, there's also an option here which you can also utilize. For example, if you tap on the resource again, you can send your profile in the message. So you can just tap on it. Then you can search for a name. They can send a profile to the person directly. And I believe this helps you. For the pro tip, I'll be doing another video on how to optimize your profile using AI, especially ChatGPT, which can boost your audience reach and employers too as well. And I believe that video will help you. So can you subscribe, share, and like this video? I have also made a video on how to search for events on LinkedIn, and I attend them online and in person. You can also click on that video and watch it as well. Till I see you again, stay blessed.